So in this CoinSmart tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to share a referral link here on CoinSmart. So once you have CoinSmart open up on your device, simply go to the top right and press on your initials. So once that is done, you're greeted to the settings screen. Now, if you want to go ahead and share a referral code, go to where it says referral. I refer a friend, connect on social media. So go ahead and press on referral. Now, if you want to share your referral link, you can go ahead and press on share your referral link, but also right here. So for me, for this example, my referral code is REF-BBPD65. But there you go. If you wanted to share your referral link, I'll get $15 if you refer a friend today. So there you go. That is how to share a referral link on CoinSmart. I hope this video helps.